Congratulations! You did it! You now own a new Toyota. Thanks so much for choosing Heninger Toyota. Your journey has just begun. Now, it's time to introduce you to your new vehicle. Toyota models come equipped with many new exciting features that improve your safety and enhance your driving experience. We would like to invite you to an orientation and discovery with one of our delivery experts who will demonstrate Toyota's pro tips on your vehicle. This in-person walkthrough is at no additional expense and will help you better understand the technology and conveniences found in your new Toyota. We're here to help. You may be thinking, as long as my new vehicle gets me from point A to point B, does the rest really matter? Besides, it's all there in the owner's manual, isn't it? Like you, we all seem to be very busy nowadays. We understand everyone has time constraints, and you can't afford unneeded moments in your day. And of course, one of the most thrilling things about buying a new vehicle is getting in it and driving it home, right? We love our Toyotas, and at Heninger Toyota, we are Toyota enthusiasts. We truly believe that your vehicle can be much more than just transportation. Heninger customers who have taken the time to go through our orientation and discovery process often comment on how beneficial the time was spent. This unique to Heninger Toyota experience provides several distinct benefits. For example, knowing how your Toyota works will help you drive safer, reducing the risk of an accident, and will help extend the lifespan of your vehicle. We also cover items such as Bluetooth connectivity, connected services by Toyota, steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, Toyota Safety Sense, lane assist, sound system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, how to change your tire, brake assist, backup camera usage, and parking assist if available. When you come by to pick up your vehicle, the first step will be to complete all of the necessary paperwork in our showroom where you purchased your vehicle. Here, you will be greeted by your product advisor, who will in turn introduce you to one of our business managers. Our business managers are licensed experts who will help you complete all the needed paperwork and answer any of your questions in regards to financing, licensing, and warranty of your new vehicle. Once you've completed the paperwork, the next step is to introduce you to your shiny new vehicle that awaits you. It's the beginning of a new relationship. In most situations, your product advisor will escort you to our Toyota Service Center, located 1 block east of our main building. Heninger Toyota's Service Center is the largest and one of the most state-of-the-art vehicle service centers in Canada. The Service Center employs a special team of qualified Toyota delivery experts who will help orient you with your new vehicle, and you will meet some of our friendly people that we have on staff. You'll get a tour of our service facility so that you'll know exactly what to expect when you bring your vehicle in for future service. This includes our cafe, shuttle services, and customer waiting area. We can even book your first service appointment. And of course, we save the best for last. Waiting to meet you at our delivery center will be your brand new Toyota, all cleaned, prepped, and looking forward to providing you with years of enjoyment. Your delivery expert will then introduce you to each other, demonstrate features, and answer all your questions. This orientation usually takes about 45 minutes, depending on the vehicle and the time you have to spend. We won't rush you, we won't waste your time, and we will answer any additional questions you may have about the operation of your new vehicle. And of course, you are welcome to bring a friend or a family member. We highly recommend you take advantage of this no-charge orientation. We do this because we want you to enjoy your new Toyota to its fullest. It has a lot to give. Heninger Toyota is the only Toyota dealership in Calgary, where its family name represents over 30 years of trust and confidence. We are not just a business, we are a family. We'd like to now officially welcome you to the Heninger Toyota family by helping you get the most out of your new vehicle. Thanks for taking the time to watch. You're about to enter the best ride of your life.